Howard, thank you for joining us today. We're at the One-to-One conference in New York.
Thanks, Scott. Nice to be here.
Howard, tell us a little bit more about the company.
Desert HawkGold is a privately held U.S.-based company with operations in western Utah near the Nevada border. We're currently a producer. We're producing around 15,000 ounces on an annual rate right now. We made our first gold sales last month, so we're happy to get cash flow in. We're currently have a direct cash cost of $695 an ounce and a full sustaining cost of about $750 an ounce. And we've got a very, very large possibility of expanding our zone dramatically. We think we control a trend that's over 2 miles long. Newmont did a substantial amount of work at the one end of our trend, spent over $5 million at a target they believe is in excess of 2 million ounces. So we believe that over the next 1.5 to 2 years, we can develop an ongoing resource in excess of 2 million ounces and increase our production rate from 15,000 ounces per year to 25,000 ounces per year. At the current rate, we're generating around $7 million a year in operating cash flow, and we think that number can more than double as we increase our production level.
So obviously having cash flow obviously allows you to take it to that next stage.
Yes, that's right. And the only reason we would raise additional equity money is to accelerate the speed with which we can develop the very large resource that we have in front of us.
And what's the purpose of being at One-to-One today?
Well, really the purpose of being at One-to-One was to meet possibly some institutional investors with a little bit longer term horizon who could recognize the value of the company at a 30 million market cap today as a private company, and can see that we have the possibility of having a rather large increase in the valuation of the project over the next 2 to 3 years, and possibly a chance for a much larger takeout at a multiple of the current number.
And how's the One-to-One event been for you?
This is the second one I've been at. I like the One-to-One format. I think it's probably the best conference format I've ever experienced.
Super. Well, thank you for your time today.
Thanks, Scott. Nice to be here.
Thank you.